Okay guys, X-Train Spotter HD, and welcome back to another new video. I'm at St David's today on this Thursday afternoon. This is the train I got off to get to St David's today from St Thomas, the 158951, working a Greater Railway service to Exmouth. So in this video you'll see services from Greater Railway, CrossCountry, South Western Railway, and you will see a freight as well. Yeah, so you should be made for a very interesting, good video. Hope you all enjoy.
Have your attention please on platform 1.
What is that?
We are sorry to announce that the 1602 Great Western Railway service to Exeter Central has been cancelled.
Oh dear.
This is due to a points failure.
Another points failure? So there's always points failure on the Tarka line, isn't there? Every time. So yeah, that's that one. What else have we got? We got a very late running Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Plymouth, which just arrived. That one's running a good, let's think, running about a good 35 minutes late. We have another IT all the way over on platform 6, which I'm assuming will work another service to London Paddington. Up the line there, as you can see, is a 158 that just departed from platform 5. I'm going to go up here and see and get a shot of this. I think it's the 956. I think she's probably going into the depot for the day. I'm not entirely sure. I'll just zoom into it. There's it's 956, yeah, she is going into the depot for the day. She's done her work for the day. So yeah, should be made for an interesting video. Okay, well we got this late running service to Plymouth now leaving, 802018. I believe that this is a 10 coach one. With 802010 at the back. Okay again guys, there will be more videos on my channel coming up very soon. I'll tell you more about this as the 951 is about to go out. That one is running slightly late now. There's that one. Okay, so apparently we've got a 1505 service to Central now coming in. And that one is really late. That one's nearly 50 minutes late. Something to do with the points failure, I'm assuming. What else have we got coming in? We've got a castle set coming in as well. I think that's from Cardiff. That's from Cardiff Central to Penzance, and that is running late as well. That's running a good half an hour late. Seems to be quite a lot of delays this afternoon. I'm not sure why though. Keep camera rolling, see this come in, and we'll come back into the video. The numbers on this castle set will be catching up at the front, we have to catch them at the back once it goes out.
We are sorry to announce that the 1542 Great Western Railway service to Exeter Central.
It's 43042 at the front. Trigena castle name, I think that's how you say it. There we go. Okay, we've got the service to Penzance now leaving. Yeah, a good half an hour late. We have another castle set waiting to come in. Looks to be that one is might be on time. Kingswear Castle at the back, the 43158. To be honest, I don't know why that castle set's waiting up there actually.
1558.
Platform was free.
Great Western Railway
Strange.
to Paignton is delayed by approximately 8.
Okay, as that castle set's left, we got another one coming in. It's just to Cardiff Central. I think this one's on time. So like I was saying, guys, more videos on the way. We'll be doing that Christmas Eve special at Temple Meads. Definitely doing that now. Maybe towards Christmas Eve week I'll do that. All being well, of course. I have to check it on the day, but also you got to make sure the trains run on the day as well. (43 122) Dunster Castle. (43 162) at the back, Carhays Castle. Okay guys, we're back in the video. As you can see, there's a cross-country service just arrived from Edinburgh going to Plymouth. That one's running late. We've got the service to Cardiff Central now leaving as well. There we go. Okay, so we'll be back in a few seconds once the cross-country service goes out. Okie dokie, going out now is a cross-country service to Plymouth, running a good about 15 minutes later, I think. (221-133) is the number on the train. Okie dokie, we're back in the video guys, and coming in now is a Great Western Railway service to Paignton. This one is also running late. Not as late as other trains, but it is running late. A good about 8 minutes late, I think. 239 at the front. 150, 263 at the back bit, obviously it'll be at the front now once it leaves. Don't know why it says Exmouth on it, but it is the painting service, not Exmouth. Just to clarify, guys. We have another 150 up the line waiting to come in. I'm thinking that's the Exmouth service, maybe. I think it's got to be because it is a 150, so yeah. I think that might be on time. It might be. I'm not entirely sure. But she is on the move, so we'll keep the camera rolling. As the video goes on, we will see services from South Western Railway, and obviously we will see the freight train as well. We will get to see a CrossCountry HST as well in the next couple of minutes. So we'll get to see a bit more, plenty of variety today.
This is the passengers for platform number 1 awaiting the 1625 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Please do not...
It is 152.47 on her own. There's the 152.19. There's no one on it then, but that's his 152.19. Now going up the line. Okay, so we do have a South Western Railway service on platform 1 apparently, but a 150 just went onto the platform, so I don't entirely get that. I'm gonna have to get back to you on that one, guys. Unless the train is standing on platform 1, is going to go to Central. You have to get on that train to go to Central to catch the South Western Railway train at Central then perhaps. Okay, so the South Western Railway train is not coming here. So I don't know if we'll see a South Western Railway services now and then. But yeah, this service to Payton is going out, even though it says Exmouth, it is going to Payton, guys. It's like the driver hasn't changed it to Payton. Like the 239's had a new headboard at the bottom there. Looks pretty new. As you can see, we've got the 219 now coming into the depot for the day, I think. Looks to be. A little bit of 150 action now. After having a castle set action, we got a 150 action now. No, she is indeed going into the depot for the day. I don't know if this would have been in service still if it was on time. I think this would have been the service from Oakhampton to Exeter Central. Might have got cancelled due to how late it is. The 219's had a bit of a wash. It looks pretty clean at the back there. Okay. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Now, I believe that the 152.02 is back in action now. obviously, as you know, the 202 has been out of action for quite a couple of months because of it being under service at St Philip Marsh Depot in Bristol. Yeah, it went undergo an exam for a couple of months, but I now think it's passed its exam and it's now going to be back in action. So I don't know, hopefully over the next few days, once I do another video here, we may see the 202. I don't know, but just to give you the heads up on that. Okay, so we'll be back in a few seconds. Okay, so there's London Paddington now coming in. That's catch me off guard. I'm not quite sure what's happening with some of the services because of this cycling problem. Apparently a service to Accounting is departing from platform 4 now. Yeah, I'm confused as you are, guys, but obviously I'll keep you updated. Here is 800 318. Okay guys, well I brought you back into the video immediately. As you can see, there's a 150 coming in onto platform 4. And indeed this service will go to Oakhampton from platform 4, which is very bloody strange. So the service to Penzance will be on platform 6 now. 247 is now going out. And this one is on time, I believe. I'm assuming, I'm hoping we will still see a South Western Railway service here, despite the one a minute ago getting cancelled from here. There is the 249 on platform 4. Now that would originally have gone to Central, but it's going to terminate here and it will go back off to Oakhampton from here. So there's the updated situation. The 1625 service to Penzance will now go on platform 6. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure why that's on platform 4. Platform 3 was available. That would have been more appropriate. But hey, something different every day, to say the least. So can't really complain, to be honest. It mixes things up when you see trains on platforms where they shouldn't be, really. Let's put it that way. So yeah. Okie dokie then, guys, we're back in the video here at St Dares. I thought I'd come at this end of the platform now, because the next few trains I want to get on camera will be from this end now. But before I get any more cameras on, more trains on camera, I thought I'll show you this. As you know, here was a building where the staff used to go, but as you can see, you can clearly see through there now, and you can see the hotel, you can see that pub over there, you can see the other hotels, you can see all the buildings outside the station now from here. How strange is that? Hey, just thought I'd get that on camera for you guys. Okay, so I'll come at this end. So there was a service to Barnstable departing from platform 6. Yeah, that's right, a service to Barnstable departing from platform 6. Quite unusual, to say the least. I think I'm going to have to name this in a very unusual Thursday afternoon session. So, yeah. It's the 158950. And this one is more or less on time. A rather busy service to Barnstable, which no surprises. Now, plenty of videos to come on my channel over the next couple of days. Like I said, guys, stay tuned. I'm hoping to get back into a regime of making a few videos, actually, to say the least. As you know, the last few weeks I haven't been making many videos. The only videos I have been making have been here. But from now on, I will try and mix it up. Like I said, I'll be going to Bristol near Christmas Eve week. But I'm hoping to try and even, and this will be a hopeful long distance trip as well, an even longer one that I said I was going to make a couple of weeks ago, which I still haven't got around to doing it. I'm hoping to do that as well, so all being well, I will do that as well, guys. So stay tuned to my channel. Hopefully things on my channel within the next couple of weeks will get back to normal, all being well. Okay, so have we got anything else coming in? No. We still have that 150 on platform 4. That won't leave for a couple more minutes. That will be going to Oakhampton. That will definitely leave on time. It'd be quite bad if that didn't leave on time. So the barriers are still down. So what's coming in? Ah, okay. So we got a IT coming in. Now initially this would have been on platform 4, but it's not going to be on platform 4 now. I'm assuming this will be on platform 6 maybe. Yes, it will be on platform 6. So I'm definitely going to name this a very unusual Thursday afternoon session. This time of the year now, obviously when it gets dark quite quickly, it's talking about 20 past 4 now, and as you can see it's getting rather dark. Number on this is 800 312. Now this is also running late. I see there's a empty coach and stock castle set coming down shortly as well. I think that one is actually behind this. Now this train is rather busy as expected. Certainly quite cold today. It's going to get even more colder from next week. Here we go. Okie dokie then, guys. I think that's it for now. So we'll come back in a couple more minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, well as soon as I turn the camera off, we have a cross-country service now coming in from Plymouth going to Leeds. So you run by not a castle set, a cross-country HST. Get it right, Alex, you complete and utter moron. Always nice to see a cross-country HST, of course. It mixes things up. Got to keep an eye on the freight situation. That freight shouldn't be too far away as well, and that freight is actually coming from the bungalow, not from St Daisy, so that's a bit different. Here is 43301 at the front, and we'll obviously catch her at the back once she goes out. Okie dokie. Okie dokie then, guys, we're back in the video, and about to go out now will be the cross-country service to Leeds, and this one is on time. There's going to be 2 castle sets coming down. One is an empty coach and stock one, and one is a service from Cardiff Central. We'll get to see another 2 castle sets very shortly. I was told by the driver, scared me. I always anticipate the tones from HSTs, and they still make me bloody jump. 357 at the back. I'm not sure what's happened to the 43184. I haven't seen that in a couple of weeks. Maybe people can let me know in the comment section below on that.
And Paignton. This train has 3 coaches. This train may be disrupted at Exeter St David's. This is due to a points failure in Exeter St David's area.
Okay, there's the 166-213, which will work as service to Paignton. Bit late on the recording there, catch me off guard. She is more or less on time, running slightly late. But, yeah. So yeah, a few more trains to get on camera before ending the video. So yeah, we'll come back then. Okay guys, going out now was a Grattan Railway service from Cardiff Central to Penzance, running late as well. Not sure why though actually. I don't think this is to do with any of the points failure. As the points failure has been well, around here actually. So probably just due to congestion, I reckon. Forty-three 188, the Newport Castle at the back. Good to see her again. Okay then guys, we're coming towards the end of the video here at St David's today, and right to the part now is a cross-country service from Glasgow Central to Plymouth. Had the 798 there, as you can see, just cheekily arrived on platform 6. Thinking that's terminating here now.
Any customers requiring 1720, Great Western Railway Service to Barnstaple. Please note this train will depart from platform number 6. Again, any customers requiring 1720, Great Western Railway Service to Barnstaple. Please note this train will depart from platform number 6.
It's 221136, leaving more or less on time. I think the freight train is not too far away either.
The fast train now approaching platform 5 does not stop here. Stand back from the platform edge and hold on to pushchairs and wheelchairs.
The freight is coming now. This will be a train load of 1,000 tons. But like I said guys, this has come from the bungalow, not from St Daisy, so a little bit different. I think I'll end the video with this.
The fast train now approaching platform 6 does not stop here. Stand back from the platform edge and hold on to pushchairs and wheelchairs.
The red DB, the 66009 again. There's that one. We got the 166208 now going out to Exeter. Quite a busy train there as well. Okay, there's one more train to go on camera, and it should be a terminating South Western Railway service, so we'll come back then, guys. Okay guys, well, we're back in the video. Apparently another scheduled South Western Railway train that was meant to terminate here at St David's also got cancelled from here and is going from Central. So I will leave it here at Exeter St David's on this Thursday afternoon. Hope you enjoyed the selection of trains for 158s to turbos to CrossCountry Voyagers to the council sets we've seen, CrossCountry HHT to the 150s and the freight train we saw a minute ago. So yeah, very nice selection of trains. So my next video probably won't be into the weekend now. Hopefully I'll try and mix it up on the weekend, go somewhere different for a change. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So until next time, from me here at a very cold and chilly Exeter St David's. I shall see you all soon, guys. Take care.